Hello, good friends. We're listening to our own inner calling and we're taking time out either physically or mentally. There is a happy surprise coming your way, an opportunity or a windfall. Something very good is about to happen. They say you must let go of anxiety. You have a new attitude now. Calm your nerves. They say you're in a position of authority over your life, and your angels are helping you bring back love and loyalty and understanding in your relationships. Yes, there has been a lot of quarrels and arguments around you, but a distant friend is thinking of you. They say something you're waiting for is worth the wait. You will reap what you sow. You are waiting for news, package, or a letter, and they say your patience is going to be rewarded. They want you to cleanse your energy of any negative energy that doesn't serve you, and pay attention to your work. The angels are helping you find balance, and you are going to get an increase in your monies. The universe is working in your favor, and they want you to find the happiness and well being. They say love heals all fear. You are going to get the honor and respect that you deserve. The power of your love can help bullies and angry people be less afraid. Your wishes are coming true. You're going to have successful outcomes to your problems. What your heart has been longing for is getting closer each day. You are being protected from a powerful friend, and they say your tears of frustrations is over. You letting go of all those negative emotions. You're getting stronger within every day, and you have had depression, anxiety, and worry, but they want you to work as a team. There's money and property through inheritance, winning or windfall, and you need to work with others to make this situation come about. There are new beginnings. Be careful, do not take risks. Take this as an opportunity to rise from the ashes stronger and more determined. You are developing spiritually, and you must move forward positive, confident, determined, and resilient within yourself. Your loved ones want you to communicate with the angels. You have the ability to connect with the loving beings that surround you. I love you all very, very much. Thank you all for your support. Night, night.